up, my beautiful people? We are out here in Pumalanga Stadium, and it's a game. Golden Arrows versus Chippa United. We are just 10 minutes away from the game, and we have a super fan right here next to me, supporter Ella Monville, and she's all the way from Newcastle. Can you imagine how our fans go all the way to support our team? So let's get a few insights on what she thinks about the game today. Hello, Susunjani.
Ngiyaphila kunjani mama?
Ngiyaphila nami. Ngicela ukuba igama.
Umbali wakandlovu.
Okay, umbali lana, I'm just going to ask her a few insights. So mucabanga ithini game namhlanje? Mucabanga siyahamba nale win namhlanje?
Due to i-performance ya last week, no, so you win the game.
Nami ngithemba kanjani. Mucabanga so wina ngo how many nil?
It's 2-0. Yeah, 2-0.
Okay, since you all the way from Newcastle, ubanje ifilo imen yakho nje uthi nje yabo le man of the match yami yena ngimthembile ukuthi uzosiqolela uzoswinisa namhlanje.
Yabona mfethu njoba ngila all the way from Newcastle eDunhouse akamdakani. Ngizo support uSquish and I know uzoba ne goal uzolithola igoal. But no ama players wonke nje ngiyawathemba azoyenza something.
All right, ngiyabonga kakhulu sisi, enjoy the game ne. All right, you heard it from our fan. Catch us now. We are about 5 minutes away from game.